5 jobs which will disappear by 2033. 1. The cashier will be replaced by self-checkouts. There are already lots of grocery stores which have self-checkout. In near future this will be the norm and human labor won't be necessary anymore. The only thing that will change is that we will need more security to keep an eye on the customers. 2. The truck driver will be replaced by self-driving trucks. Artificial intelligence will soon be advanced enough to replace truck drivers. One of the main issues to solve are ethical problems like the trolley dilemma. Would you kill 5 people to save one, or save 5 to kill one in a situation that requires this decision? Basically, most monotonous jobs will be gone within a couple of decades. Disruption is natural and can't be avoided. 3. Warehouse workers will be replaced by automated robots. There already are huge warehouses in China which don't require average employees anymore. The robots transport the goods from A to B, drive to their charging station whenever they run out of battery, and a replacement until jump in to fill the whole fully automated. Human labor is warehouse be gone very soon. 4. Cab drivers will be replaced by automated cars. Cab drivers already have to fight with Uber and Taxify, but long term they will be hit with the same problem as the truck drivers' self-driving cars. Once this innovation is ready, millions of jobs will be affected. Companies like Tesla and Hyundai are already in the race. Soon Apple will be launching its first self-driving car in the market, and then works will be changed forever. 5. Travel agents will be replaced by website bookings. Let's be honest, when was the last time you visited a local travel agency to book your trip? This business is already dead. The only people who still book their vacation at a local travel agency are your grandparents. It's the previous generation. Travel agencies will be gone very soon. Which one of these hit you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments.